Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on lead code, and today we are going to discuss question which is container with the most water. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So the question states that you are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that two endpoints of the ith line are I0 and I height I. Find two lines together that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Notice that you may not slant the container. So this is like the array which is given. Like consider example number one. So 1 8 6 2 5 4 8 3 7. So these are the bar heights which are given to us in the array form, and we have to find like how much maximum amount of water which we can fill. So if you consider any two elements of this array, so this is 8 and this is 7, so we can see that water would be like in difference in the indexes, like it's like the water which is standing, its like length would be like whatever is the difference. So this is the first index, and whatever index is this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 8th index. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then it will be multiplied with the minimum height out of these two. So minimum height out of these two is 7. So 7 into 7 49. So that will be 40. So like this 49 will be the maximum answer. If we consider any other, suppose if we consider these two, these 8 and this 8. So in out of this minimum is 8. So 8 will be multiplied with, but this index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 5 into 8 40. So 40 is less than 49. So like 49 will be our answer. We have to find out the maximum answer. In this case like we can say there will be one height and one height. So minimum would be 1, and multiply would be 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So like how we'll be solving this question is we will use a two pointer approach, and initially we will point our left pointer to the left like 0th index of the array, and we will point our right pointer to the last element of the array, and then we will check what is the answer for this. So for this answer would be like this will be 0, and L will be 0, and right pointer would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So right pointer would be at 8. So its answer would be like 8 minus 1 is 7, and 7 into 1 7. So like we will store answer as 7, and then what we will do is like we will check what is the minimum value out of these. So out of 7 and 1, 1 is minimum. So we will increment this L pointer to right side. If this would have been minimum, then we will decremented the right pointer to the left side. We are doing this because like we want to maximize the minimum value. So whatever with the minimum value, like if the left pointer is the minimum value, then we'll move the left pointer. If the right pointer is the minimum value, then we will move the right pointer, and we will continue doing this until we reach the point like left is greater than or equals to right. Until that point we will keep on doing this, and we will continue updating our answer, like whatever and at last, like whatever maximum answer we will get, we will return it into the output. So this is the algorithm. Let's see into the code how it is being implemented. So we are given an height in vector, and we are defining n as the height size. Then we are defining our two pointers, left as 0 and right as n minus 1, and then we are also defining our answer as 0, and then we will impose a condition while left is less than right. Then we will update our answer will be updated as max of ans comma right minus left multiply by minimum of height of left and right. And then what we will do is like we will just check if height of left is less than right, then we will change this left pointer, we will increment it, otherwise we will decrement. Like in else case, like height of right is less than height of left, so we will decrement the right pointer, and then finally we will return our answer. So this is the solution, and this will work in on time. So let's try to run it. Yeah, it is getting accepted. Here n length is given as 10 to the power 5, so n solution should get accepted as well. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So I hope you have understood the explanation to this question. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this question link and question description in the description of the video. So let me know in the comment section whether you have understood the explanation to this question, and subscribe to my channel, like my video, and yeah, stay tuned for more such questions related to top Indian 150 series of questions on lead code. And let me check like in which companies this question has been asked. So you can see like Amazon has asked this question 12 times in the last 3 months, and lots of other companies like Google, Microsoft have asked this question. So this is quite important question. So that is the motto for this series. Like we are covering all the important questions related to data structure and algorithms, and that is why we are covering top into 150 series of questions so that you can be ready for your next data structure and algorithm interview round. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such content. Thanks and have a nice day.